I'm Melissa Tonishell. I'm a teacher at the Mission Hill School. I want to start by saying thank you, Councillor Ross and other friends of Mission Hill who are looking out for us when it doesn't feel like other folks are. And I hope you're all in receipt of my letter by email from last night. So just to be a little quicker. I'm a person who likes change. I'm a teacher with a good and willing imagination. I'm excited by the possibility of growth to include families who struggle to find quality, affordable childcare and education for their very young children. I'm for that idea. However, I'm having trouble getting behind this plan. I've been led to understand in the last 36 hours that Mission Hill is now the only school in opposition to this proposal. Kind of as if, so therefore it's a done deal. I think one school's opposition is significant enough to merit serious consideration. We're not simply one of a handful of schools. We're the only K-8 school being considered for a move, and I've not heard real conversation about this, the particular impact of a move for children aged 5 through 13. We can expand kindergarten seats where we are, but a seat is not just a seat. Councillor Ross, you've tossed out a lot of options this evening, and it's frustrating to hear them bounced back at you. We've heard a lot about the best options for BAA, the best options for Fenway, the partnerships that they have. Guess what? We have partnerships too. The best options for Mission Hill School doesn't seem to have been discussed, as has the best option for BAA, the best option for Fenway and other schools. It was mentioned that it's important to remember that juniors and seniors need to move around the city to internships. They can do that by themselves, juniors and seniors in high school. Young children can't, and families are not likely to. I'm disheartened that the response to the questions about why not this or this for Fenway were met with such deep sense of being informed, and that a clear understanding of the Mission Hill program doesn't seem to be in place. I'm disheartened that no one has taken us up on the very serious invitation to come and spend a day with us, to see what's happening in the hallways and classrooms and outside spaces of our school. You're hearing tonight from some parents who tell you about the painstakingly careful process they underwent to choose a school for their children. I applaud those parents, but I also stand here on behalf of those children whose adult family members do not have the resources or practice in advocacy. Those children whom we teach at Mission Hill because we are their neighborhood school. These are children whose parents and guardians come to know us as a school by virtue of the ways we ask them to be part of our school, to participate with us in their children's learning at school. These are families who discover what public education can look like. It's different from their own experiences of school. Time. It's surprising if they haven't gone looking for it. And those parents and families want to stay with us. They're not likely to if we move. I have to say one more thing. As a teacher, I know that the first thing I have to do is to build relationships with children and their families, to get to know each and every child deeply and broadly, and from there, I can help those children grow. Each school is a child of the city. You need to get to know us to help us grow.